Good morning, students. So, in our subject knowledge-based representation reasoning, the last unit goes to the various tools and followed by the supporting languages. So, here what happened? Lisp, a programming language, and followed by various tools with C letter. So, today we are going to see the Lisp. So, more or less, my dear secondary students of the knowledge representation reasoning, in terms of the AI application, we will be using our Python. In such case, we know the importance of the Python in terms of the simplicity. So, what happened in the year 1950? A programming person named called John McCarthy created one of the dynamic languages called Lisp. It derived its syntax from C and C++. More or less, we know that C is by of the density here and followed by C++. And followed by what happened in terms of Lisp, similar to a Lisp, a programming language. Formalization for reasoning. So, in terms of the subject, in terms of the language for a GAI, that is a knowledge representation and reasoning, will be using a language called Lisp. In terms of various formulas and then reasoning mechanisms will be handled in terms of the real-time application, either of in terms of search engines, or maybe a voice assistance, or maybe a weather predictions, or any of the automated tasks. Followed by what happened here in terms of Lisp, using of a regression equation for of a model computation. What are the regression equations here in terms of any computations are involved? What happened? We will be calling the function will be calling itself until the derived condition and target is reached. So in such case, what happened? The regression function will be always called by itself until the value. For example, what happened in terms of the infinite loop or anything, the function will be calling itself into the display board. The display will be run for about 24 hours without our interruption. The regression equation for our model computation presents any of the models in terms of the real-time chain modes or maybe the autonomous vehicle like a Tesla. Followed by the Lisp is derived from the Lisp processing language. So presently the using of Python to find out the advantages of Python. So it derived from the C and C++ and also the Python derived from the Lisp. That is called a Lisp. So everything is a Lisp because what happened? Lisp is also a programming language. It is derived from the C, C++ and followed by Lisp is in terms of the programming is a Lisp. And here in terms of the Lisp they will be using of macros. What is the macros? The built-in macros and all of the macros will involve the stored units can be called in terms of the where is the decision making support system. So what happened is macro in terms of the Lisp will be also similar to C programming from the what to say middle level and evergreen programming language is called by C. Followed by Lisp macro formalization the ability to list or list. So what happened? Lisp programming language the macro formalization able to implement of the different modules of the languages to change and define the behavior dynamically. What happened in terms of the knowledge-based reasoning system, knowledge resonance system, or maybe of knowledge representation and reasoning, knowledge discovery system. All the functionality will be in the form of the primary data structure, maybe a tree or maybe a graph or maybe anything. So in such it will be calling it and implemented and take the action decision by its own, and it will be having the same control structure and decision structure in other languages like if one comes implement followed by various conditions. And followed by the Lisp macros promise the ability to Lisp implement the other languages say the behavior dynamically. It is one of the important property handled in terms of the various models of the Lisp. And followed by what happened we are going to take an expression which is called as a star 1 2 3 4. So in this what happened the output is 24. We'll be having how the things are quite simple all 3 because what happened plus star 1 2 3 will be plus and followed by 16 to 24. See the expression how it's evaluated is expression and evaluated macro of second that make the difference of the Lisp. And also everything is registered in terms of the set and etc. Already we know the various other features of the Python set list and then necessary etc. Set will be available to parameters and to variable a comma b and again evaluate a will be finding where the end value of the way and depending upon the what to say the function is given it will be getting it. And what happened already in terms of Python we know the importance of a lambda. So the list these are the lambda and primary our